Imagine waking up one morning, ready to use Beforepay for a much-needed purchase, only to find that your limit has mysteriously decreased. It's like discovering your favorite restaurant has suddenly stopped serving your go-to dish. Frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. Many people have faced this issue, and today, we're diving deep into the reasons why your Beforepay limit might have taken a hit. Reason 1: Late payments. Let's start with the most obvious culprit: late payments. Beforepay is a financial tool that relies on your ability to pay back what you borrow on time. If you've missed payments in the past, it's a red flag to the system that you might not be as reliable as they thought. Think of it like a credit score. The better your payment history, the higher your limit. Reason 2: Increased spending. Have you been on a shopping spree lately? It's possible that your increased spending habits have triggered a decrease in your Beforepay limit. The system might be concerned that you're stretching your finances too thin and could struggle to repay your loans. Reason 3: Changes in income. If your income has fluctuated recently, it could also impact your Beforepay limit. A decrease in income might signal to the system that you're less financially stable, leading to a lower limit. Reason 4: Changes in your account. Sometimes, changes in your account can lead to a decrease in your Beforepay limit. This could include things like adding a new user or changing your account settings. These changes might trigger a review of your account, potentially resulting in a lower limit. Reason 5: System updates or maintenance. Believe it or not, system updates or maintenance can sometimes affect your Beforepay limit. These updates might involve changes to the algorithm that determines limits, which could lead to fluctuations. What can you do? Now that you know the potential reasons for a decreased Beforepay limit, what can you do about it? Pay on time. This is the most crucial step. Make sure to always pay back your loans on time to improve your creditworthiness. Reduce spending. If you've been spending excessively, try to cut back. This will help you build a stronger financial foundation. Increase income. If possible, explore ways to increase your income. This could involve finding a side hustle, asking for a raise, or negotiating a better deal with your current employer. Contact Beforepay support. If you're still unsure why your limit has decreased, don't hesitate to reach out to Beforepay support. They can provide you with more specific information and guidance. A decreased Beforepay limit can be frustrating, but by understanding the potential reasons and taking action, you can improve your financial situation and increase your limit in the future. Remember, consistent and responsible financial habits are key to maintaining a healthy Beforepay account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.